Dear students, welcome to another class of accountancy. Today we are learning about subscriptions. You know that subscription is the main source of income of a not-for-profit making organization. It is the amount paid by the members of such organizations at regular intervals. That may be weekly, monthly or yearly. Moreover, being a receipt of recurring nature, subscription is treated as a revenue income of the organization and therefore credited to income and expenditure account. But one of the differences between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account is that receipts and payments account records all cash receipts and payments irrespective of the period to which they belong. At the same time, income and expenditure account records only those revenue, incomes and expenditures of the current period only. That is the difference. For example, subscriptions received during the year 2020 is rupees 70,000, of which rupees 5,000 relate to 2019 and rupees 10,000 related to 2021. In this case, the amount of subscription will appear in the receipts and payments account at rupees 70,000. But in the income and expenditure account, only 55,000 rupees will be appeared as subscription. Because income and expenditure account records incomes and expenditures of the current period only. Clear? Let's see how it is worked out. As per our question, subscription received during 2020 is rupees 70,000, of which rupees 5,000 is for the year 2019, that should be deducted. So, less subscription for the year 2019 rupees 5,000. Balance rupees 65,000. Again, rupees 10,000 related to 2021. That also should be deducted. Then balance 55,000 rupees. Now, we will learn how to find out the actual amount of subscription for the current year if such questions are received. Here is a question for you. Read that question carefully. Find the amount of subscription income for the year 2020. Subscriptions received during the year 2020 rupees 1 lakh. Subscription outstanding as on 1/1/2020 rupees 10,000. Subscription outstanding as on 31st December 2020 rupees 15,000. Subscription received in advance as on 1/1/2020 rupees 5,000. Subscriptions received in advance as on 31st December 2020 8,000. From these details, we have to find out the amount of subscription income for the year 2020. So here, two adjustments are given. One is outstanding subscription and the other is subscription received in advance. Let's see what is outstanding. The word outstanding here means amount due but not received. So, Subscription outstanding means subscription due but not yet received. There are two types of outstandings. One is subscription outstanding at the beginning of the year. Second one is subscription outstanding at the end of the year. See, subscriptions outstanding at the beginning means amount of subscription which is due in the previous year but not received in the previous year. That means subscriptions outstanding at the beginning relate to the previous year. That should be deducted. Okay. Then subscription outstanding at the end means amount of subscription which is due in the current year and not received in the current year. That means it relates to the current year. That should be added. Okay. Once more. Subscriptions outstanding at the beginning of the year should be deducted as it belonged to the previous year. Subscriptions outstanding at the end should be added as it belonged to the current year. That's all about outstanding subscriptions. The second adjustment is subscriptions received in advance. They are also of two types. Subscriptions received in advance at the beginning and at the end. Subscriptions received in advance at the beginning means amount of subscription paid in the previous year for the current year. Clear? So, subscriptions received in advance at the beginning related to the current year. That should be added. At the same time, subscriptions received in advance at the end means amount of subscription paid in the current year for the next year or coming year. That means it related to the next year or the coming year. That should be deducted. So, while analyzing the questions, you will reach at a point that it should be added or it should be deducted. It should be added or it should be deducted. Now see how it is worked out. Subscriptions received during the year 2020 rupees 1 lakh. And the first adjustment is subscription outstanding at the beginning. I told you it will relate to the previous year. That should be deducted. So, less subscriptions outstanding as on 1/1/2020. 10,000. Balance rupees 90,000. Next one is subscription outstanding at the end. It will relate to the current year. That should be added. So, add subscriptions outstanding as on 31st December 2020 rupees 15,000 and the total is 1,05,000. Next is subscriptions received in advance at the beginning. That should be added. Add subscriptions received in advance as on 1/1/2020 rupees 5,000. Total subscription now is 1,10,000. Next is subscriptions received in advance at the end. It belongs to the next year. That should be deducted. So, less subscriptions received in advance as on 31st December 2020 rupees 8,000. Balance 1,02,000. That is the amount of subscription income for the year 2020. Clear? I hope you all understand the topic. See you in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.